Hey, look at
Hi,
you.
baby.
Hey, dog. Oh, look at you. Look who's done with NYSC.
Yes, baby. Finally.
How was your trip?
It was stressful, but then I thank God.
Sit. So you're finally done with this, yeah?
Finally, I'm done with this whole khaki thing, and I'm tired. Finally, thank God.
Alright, so tell me what next?
Get a job and then make plenty money.
And we get married.
Just make plenty money first, you know.
After making plenty money, obviously, yes, we'll get married.
Well, see, baby, just leave that. See, I'm famished. I'm very tired. Can you eat food in this house?
Yeah, I made rice and stew.
Oh, rice and stew. I hope there is meat in that stew, because me, I can't eat without meat.
There's no meat.
Ha, why now?
There's meat, Joe. What's the problem?
I'm just saying it because I know you. That's
Already?
Sorry. I didn't mean it that way, so can you get the food for me?
Okay, just
please.
I'll get your bargain as well.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Oh.
You getting set?
Yes. Sure, friends.
I know.
As usual.
Are you ready for it?
Mm-hmm. Huh? How do I look?
You look amazing.
Thank you.
Come here.
Oh, babe, I need to run along. It's getting late.
Okay. Don't forget to pick your CV.
No. I just want to get it now. Thank you. Gosh. Jason.
Faith.
How have you been?
I've been fine. I'm okay. How you doing?
I'm good. It's been long. I mean, after university, you just disappeared.
What? I've not been in the country. I just got back.
Welcome back.
You're looking more beautiful than you were.
You haven't stopped flattering me, have you?
Oh my God, Faith.
Yeah.
You still have that breathtaking smile.
You still look very handsome too.
Wow, so glad to see you.
Yeah. I came to buy food. I'm hungry.
Okay, in that case, can I have your number so we can always link up?
Sure.
Faith.
Yes, it's me in flesh.
My dad.
That's me.
Okay. I'll give you a call.
Make sure you call me, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, bye.
Faith.
Babe. Babe.
Yeah. You're here.
Babe. What's wrong? You're not being yourself up late. What is it?
Babe, you know what is wrong with me now? And just look at me. I'm jobless. I don't have a job. I'm not doing anything.
Hey, look. You would have a job, okay? By God's grace, you will.
That is what you keep saying. You have a job, yet I'm jobless. Even if I want to even start a business, I don't have capital, nothing. See, honestly, I'm depressed.
Hey, listen. You're not depressed. Okay? And you will have a job soon. I just need you to be optimistic.
I heard you.
Hey, would you put up a smile? With a smile on that face, smile for me.
Stop.
That's why you like this. Come on, let's
Stop it.
I'm sure everything will be fine, okay? Okay.
Hello, Jason.
You ever gotten it right?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you like it.
Yeah, I like it.
Can we see later today? There's something I want to tell you.
What is that?
When we meet, you'll find out.
Okay. Alright, so I'll see you later.
See you later.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. What did you want to see me for?
I had a confession to make.
A confession.
Yes.
What is it about?
I had a crush on you in Uniburn, and it was my dream to date you.
Really?
Yes.
So why didn't you ask me out?
Because I was scared you were going to turn me down.
You should have asked. You never know. I might have said yes.
Well, you can say yes now. You know, spending time with you has rekindled what I feel for you. I love you.
Don't.
Why?
Don't love me.
Why don't you want me to love you?
Because I don't want you to.
Why don't you want me to love you?
I don't want to have my heart broken again.
I promise I won't break your heart. I'm serious about it. Please.
Baby.
How come?
Good. What is a white long face?
Everywhere is just...
Boring. Well, that will be over soon.
Soon.
Yeah, soon. Because there's an opening in my office.
Opening, like, I don't understand. Explain.
Relax, relax. I mean, I told the HR about you, but hey, I told her you're my friend.
Okay.
And not my girlfriend because office romance is not allowed in my office.
That's not the problem at all.
Oh, you're welcome, you're welcome. So I'm sure you'll be getting a call soon.
Oh my God, this is me. Thank you so much, baby.
I love you. It's okay, it's okay.
I'm tired of staying in this house every day you go to work. I'm just here.
To be over soon, to be over soon.
Thank you, baby.
So, hey, yeah, I am super hungry.
Oh, I need something. Let me get your phone.
You did?
Yes, baby, you need to shower. I need to get your phone. Thank you.
I see you in my dreams.
See.
You were washing away. I held you very close until
I've been thinking lately. I want to say that I want to give you a chance.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you. Thank you.
Jason,
What?
promise you will not break my heart.
I promise I won't break your heart. And I mean it.
Thank you.
Thank you. You know what? Cheers to our new relationship.
No, you didn't say that.
I feel good.
You didn't even tell me you were coming.
You know I'm always full of surprises. So I wanted to surprise you with this.
Oh my goodness, what is this?
Hopefully you can find out.
Wow. Okay. Okay.
Take your time, take your time.
Oh, Christian Dior. Oh my God,
Hope you like it.
I love it.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. I've always wanted this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Faith,
Yeah?
you know what? I feel like the luckiest person on earth right now.
Why?
Because I get to hold you like this And nothing in this world matters.
You're so sweet.
Thank you. Nothing in this world matters.
You're so sweet.
You know, you deserve all the love and happiness. And I want to be the one to give it to you.
I love you, Jason.
I love you more, baby. Baby.
Okay, baby. Thank you. This is very thoughtful of you.
You're welcome.
I've always wanted this.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it.
So, what's up? How are you? How you feeling?
Okay.
You're so sweet and beautiful. I'm glad our path crossed again. You're the best thing that's happened to me.
Me too. Thank you.
What are you thinking me for?
Making me believe in love again.
Babe, come on. I promise to love and cherish you. Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Babe, there's something I want to tell you.
Okay.
I'll be traveling for a business meeting.
What? Travel? Why? No.
Babe, I need to go.
You don't have to go. I'm going to miss you.
I need to go so I can make money, so I can get you all the things you need. You know you love good things.
So how long will it take for you to come back?
Just 2 weeks.
2 weeks? 2 weeks is just? Jason, just? So I'm gonna go home 2 weeks without seeing you.
Well, but I promise we'll always call on video call every day.
Okay. 2 weeks is a lot.
I understand.
I'm going to die before you come.
You will not die. Babe, I love you so much.
I love you too.
I cherish you, baby. I promise to always love you.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
How are you, Chema?
Fine, thank you.
All right.
Good afternoon, sir.
Come inside, please. What is the problem with you, Chema?
This. I'm sorry, ma.
Did you get back to work?
Sorry, ma.
Go back to work, please. That's the CEO's son. What's the problem?
CEO's son. He's so cute. Hey. Chioma. Chioma, you need to play your cards well. This guy is so cute. Hey.
Let me see if my baby has posted any pictures. No, this can't be true. This can't be true. What is this? I'm calling. It's not true. It's not true.
Hello, Jason.
Hello? Jason, hi. I saw some pictures that you posted on Instagram. What's that about? Tell me it's not true.
I'm sorry. They are real.
Jason, you got married?
Yes, I am. I got married yesterday.
Why would you do this to me?
Like I told you, it was my dream to date you. So when I saw you again, I thought it would be cool to fulfill the dream.
So all the while you said you loved me, you lied?
Don't blame. Yes.
Jason,
it shall not be well with you. See, anything you touch will work against you. See, I cursed today, I bet you.
Enough of the corset. I'm in Canada. The courses can't afford the plane ticket to fly to Canada. And affects me.
Hello? You have a heartbreak.
Babe, where to?
I'm going to work.
Walk?
Of course.
Why walk today, kid? Why are you going to work?
Huh? You want my boss to give me a query? Are you going to be there to answer it for me?
Leave your boss. I'll pay him. Back, I'll pay him. How much is it?
So you want hunger to finish me in this house, eh?
I have to go to work, I beg you. So, babe, when are you coming back?
Like 4? Come in. So I'll be back maybe like 4 o'clock. Morning. 11. Do you have any clothes you wanted to wash for you?
No, I don't.
Okay, the clothes are in the bathroom. You're gonna wash them. Make sure you wash them very well.
Yes, ma'am. Why don't you like her? My spirit don't just accept her.
What is wrong with your spirit? She's a good girl and she's very hardworking.
I can't just know.
Please. Anyway, I'm leaving her in your care. She'll make breakfast for you, okay?
Yeah.
See you. Bye.
Take care. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, because you can.
Babe, it's no, it's not lawyer. Babe, it's not lawyer.
So when I'm not home, this is what you do?
No,
Get out of my house!
babe.
Mike, get your things and get the hell out of my house! Get out! Madam, I'm going to kill you. Madam. Nothing. First it was Mike. Now Jason. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. I'm done. I'm done with men. I'm done. I'm done with men. This is too much pain. This is too much pain. It's good even. Ooh. Pain.
Hey, love.
Charles, how many times have I told you to stop doing this now? You know office romance is not allowed. Why are you doing this?
Hey, I'm not calling you this in front of people.
Even at that, somebody might just hear us. I don't want to get into trouble.
Like, hey, it's fine, okay? Okay. So, what's up? What are you up to? I just came to check up on you. I've seen you.
I'm good. You can see I'm fine.
Yeah.
It's very silly.
Sorry. Yeah.
Sorry.
Is the document ready?
Oh yes, they're ready.
Okay. Please bring it to my office.
Very well then, I'll bring it. Sir, your shirt is very nice. It really looks good on you.
It's alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Please bring it immediately.
All right, away, sir. What's this?
Chuma,
Yes.
what's the meaning of that?
What's the meaning of it?
What's the meaning of your shirt? Your shirt is so nice, your shirt is very fun. What's wrong with it?
Is it not about to compliment people? I'm just complimenting him now. Is there anything wrong? Your shirt too is nice. Your shirt is nice. It's very nice. Are you good now?
I'll be my office.
Very well.
That guy is so heartless. How could he do this to you? He just used you. God will judge him for doing this to you.
No. God will not judge him. God will punish him.
Amen.
He will suffer. It shall never be well with him.
Amen. Sorry, okay?
See, I'm done.
I understand how you...
See, I don't even, if I see any man just say hello to me, I'll give him a dirty slap.
Faith, calm down. I understand how you feel, okay? All men are not the same.
All of them are the same. They will see you going with your life. Jejely. They see that everything is going well. They will just come and spoil it. They will show interest. Once you grieve for them, they will just destroy your life. I'm done.
It's okay. It's okay. Hmm?
Hey, aren't you done?
No, almost.
Okay, I already booked a cab for us. Okay, so just pack up so we can leave.
No, just give me a few minutes. I'll be done. I'll join you downstairs.
Alright. Yeah, hello? Okay, you're downstairs waiting. We're coming. There you go. I'm waiting for you downstairs.
Okay, I'll join you.
Alright.
Assistance.
Let's meet at Blue Avenue. I'm on my way right now. Alright.
Sir, are you going towards Blue Avenue?
Yeah.
Please, do you mind giving me a lift? I'm actually going that way.
No problem.
Oh, thank you very much, sir.
I'll be waiting in the car.
Okay, I'll join you.
Please, 2 minutes.
All right, sir.
Did she really do that to me? And what was the meaning of that?
What is the meaning of what? I don't understand.
What don't you understand? You followed the boss knowing fully well that I ordered the cab for us.
He is my boss. I mean, there's no way I can say no to him.
Are you listening to yourself? He's a... Wait, you really prefer following him more than to come with me? Oh, I see. You think I've not noticed how you act and look around him?
Wait, let me even ask you. How am I acting around him? Tell me. How am I acting around him?
Chuma, don't forget we've dated for over 3 years.
So?
I've done a lot for you. I don't deserve this.
You've done what exactly? No, tell me, what have you done for me?
Chuma, are you asking me what I've done for you?
Hey, wait, let me just get something straight. If you think it was just small change you were giving to me when I was in university, when you actually thought it's that money that saw me through school, okay, please wake up.
Me, I gave you change.
Yes, now. No, let's be sincere. You did not do anything for me. The only thing you've ever done for me is telling your HR about me. And you see that, I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. But what you're claiming you did for me is what other men actually do for their girlfriend times 20. Excuse me, please.
Hello, Faith.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
I called to inform you that you have been transferred to the headquarters.
Thank you, sir.
You are to resume there next month.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, Chama. Good morning, Sharon. How are you? Fine, thank you. Good morning.
Chima, this is Faith. Yeah, she'll be working in this same workspace with you, starting from today.
Okay.
Yeah, so
You're welcome, Faith.
all right, Faith, this is Chima, and she'll be your colleague here. All right, Faith, if you have any questions to ask me, you know where my office is. All right, you girls be good, okay?
All right. Thank
Bye.
you. You're welcome, Faith. Thank you. I have to.
Yeah, how are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
Hey, good morning. How come I've not seen you here before?
Oh, it's my first day here. I came from branch 2. Yes.
Oh, that is good. I am Lekon Ubaro, the MD, son of the CEO to this company.
Oh, nice to
And
meet
you
you.
are-
I'm Faith.
Oh, Faith. Beautiful name.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Pleasure is all mine. Choma, please bring the file to my office.
Oh, yes. I'll do that immediately.
Immediately.
Alright.
Very important.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, okay?
Thank you very much.
All right.
Sir, I'll be right back. It's okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. You're the new staff, I guess.
I am.
Good to have you here.
Thank you.
So, where is Chuma?
She went to have lunch with Mr. Nig Mov.
Lunch. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the lunch today.
You're welcome. I got you this.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Sir, please, can we do this again? Like having lunch?
I see you in my dream. You were washing away. I held you very close until I can't force you to take back every word you said. You cannot compromise. We have
Hey, so, where have you been? I've been calling you and you're not close.
Went to have lunch?
With who?
What's with the plenty question now? What's this? Why are you asking me?
Why would I ask you such questions? I mean, you're supposed to have lunch with me. Why are you having lunch with someone else?
See, Charles, I have a lot on my table. I have lots of work to do. I'm not in for
What are you trying to... What?
I see you in my dream. You were washing away. I held you very close until I can't force you to take back every word you said. You cannot compromise. We have covered.
Sir,
Yeah.
the fries you asked me to get for you.
All right, thank you. Drop it there. Okay. What about the report for last week?
Oh, the reports.
Yeah.
It's right there. Oh, the reports. Oh,
He's here, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is there anything I can do for you?
No, nothing. Thank you.
Okay. I beg to take my leave now.
It's alright. It's alright. Shoma,
Sir?
are you into me?
Well, I have been into you right from the very first day I set my eyes on you.
Good. Come here.
Very well then. I will come.
Sir, I brought the file you asked for.
You can drop it there.
Thank you.
It's alright. You can go. It's okay.
So I'm in trouble. We're in trouble. Can't you see? He just saw us. Hey.
I don't understand. Trouble? How do you mean?
How do you mean? He is going to report us to the authority. You know that office romance is not allowed.
Oh my God. Come on. I am the authority. Of course, baby. Come here.
Choma, why so mean? No, tell me, what have I done to deserve such wickedness from you? How can you be so wicked?
Charles, honestly, I don't like this thing you're doing. No, I don't like it one bit. What's the meaning of this now? Why are you making me look like I'm a wicked person? I am not wicked. The thing there is that I fell in love with you, and then I fell in love with him. It's only natural.
Wait, so after seeing you through university and getting this job for you, you fell out of love for me?
Please, don't even bullshit. I've told you time without number. You did not help me through school. You did not see me through school. The only thing you did was just give me small assistance, and that's all. And as for this job, you did not get the job for me. You only told your HR about me, and that's it. Why are you making a big deal? See, you know what? I've gotten an apartment of my own. Okay? I will not be able to stay with you anymore. I'll send someone to come pick up my stuff. Excuse me. Just shouting. Shouting. You did this one. What did you do? Thank you very much. I did that. You're the only one that's doing something to somebody. Change. How much? But I even said one of my cheapest weeks is not up to the money you gave to me. Thank you very much.
Look, Choma didn't get me. I mean, she has finished me.
I understand how you feel, okay? I'm so sorry. I understand.
After everything I did for that girl, what did I do for her? I fed her. I clothed her. I even sponsored her education. And this is actually to pay me back.
Charles, she doesn't deserve you. You will get someone better, okay?
You don't need any other person. I'm tired of all these women.
It's okay. I understand how you feel, okay?
Now this has to go out. It has to. Yes, baby.
You always look good, you know?
Now and always. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, Charles.
So,
yeah, it's okay. Come on, you can see.
you have the documents.
Alright, yeah, drop it there. Alright, you can leave.
Alright.
Good. That is a good boy.
I don't know why he likes to interrupt us whenever we are.
I don't know. Let's go go over there.
Okay.
You know?
Come on.
I already submitted my resignation letter. I can't stand her being with another man, so I'd rather leave. I'll take my leave now.
So how's the new place of work?
It's fine now. It's fine. It's just the drama in that place.
What happened? Just me. You know well. You know me too well.
I like people. I won't give you the gist. You get this guy at my workplace. He has this girlfriend. He saw her way through school. Her whole university school fees didn't pay. He even got her a job in my office. Not my department, somewhere else, but he sure got her a job. Guess what? One morning she woke up and she said she's no longer in love with him. She's fallen out of love with him and she's now in love with the CEO's son.
What kind of nonsense talk is that one? Eh? What kind of nonsense falling out of love after all he did for her?
Obviously, you know that she's in love with him now because he's richer than the ex-boyfriend. My sister, not be small something. Drama everywhere. I feel bad for him because he's a very nice guy.
Sorry. You know, the same way they say men are scum, are also women.
Exactly. The funny thing about life is like the good guys end up with the bad girls and the good girls end up with the bad boys.
Yeah.
Life. Anyway, enough of me and my office. What did happen with you now? How far?
Nothing.
We'll find this out. When will they see you?
Don't mind me.
When will you find this out?
I've been busy lately.
I know, it's shiny.
Thank you.
Baby,
What is it?
I am going to be made the head of my department, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Really? Oh my god, thank you so much! Thank you! I'm so happy!
Yeah.
I love you. I love you so much. Thank you!
You look good.
Thank you, as always.
Oh, congratulations, Charles.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much.
So this new job will pay you 5 times more than your previous job.
Yeah. I mean, they also plan on giving me an official car.
Wow. I'm so happy for you.
Brother, God is good.
All the time.
You know, the truth is, sometimes bad things tend to happen to us and we begin to ask God why. But the truth is, at the long run, it's for good.
You're right. You're right. If Trauma hadn't left it for your boss, you wouldn't have resigned from your previous work.
Even that, if I didn't resign from the work, I would have only seen this good job.
Exactly. And that is why the Bible says that all things work together for those who believe in God and are called according to his purpose. What?
Hello.
What's happening now?
Now you do good, Bible.
Before Uncle, I'm a real man of God. Fire-branded, speaking tongue man of God. Leka Tayabos.
Fire what? No, fire branded.
Charles, kneel down, let me pray for you.
Pray for who?
Kneel down.
How carry that your bad spirit drunk out like you?
Just a pastor.
Pastor, kill you. Look at you. Pastor.
So the board of directors have decided to pick from this department who is going to run this beautiful establishment as the MD. And that position goes to nobody else but Faith. Yes. Yeah. So congratulations to you, Faith. You are our new managing director.
Thank you.
You don't have to be surprised. Why are you girls looking up? Yes. Is everything okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Lincoln, why did you disappoint me? But why did you do that to me? Why did you do that to me?
How do you mean I disappointed?
Oh, please don't even cut the pretense. You promised me that I am going to be the next managing director of this company. And then the HR came in and announced that it is Faith. Why?
I actually put in a good word for you, but the board of trustees said that Faith is more competent than you.
Nonsense! I mean, Adam's rubbish. That is not what you promised me. You promised me that I am going to be the managing director.
Hey,
So
watch your tongue, women! I won't tolerate you talk to me in such a tone. Remember, I'm your boss. What is wrong with you?
Boss, have you forgotten that you are my boyfriend as well?
Am I?
What do you mean? Am I? Are you not my boyfriend?
Sure, there's something you need to understand about this. Oh my God, baby! Look at you! How you doing? I'm good. This is a big surprise. Same here.
I just wanted to surprise you.
Yeah, I'm actually surprised. Look at my baby girl.
Lincoln, what is going on here?
As you can see, I have a visitor. As for that report, I can't attend to it right now. Please, let it be late, okay?
So let's go home.
Just a moment. Please. The door. Yes, sweetheart. Come on, look at you. You look good. No, we're not going out now. Let's go over there. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
CEO said this is a joint project with Damsel Limited, and that the head of marketing strategy is coming to have a meeting with you.
Okay.
The font size you used is too small.
What do you mean the font size is too small?
You used 10 instead of 12. You have to re-edit it.
You have to manage it like that, so I can't work on this. I'm done working on it.
What do you mean by you cannot work on it?
See, I have other things I'm doing in my office. If you cannot manage it like that, better edit it.
Shoma, I've had enough. Enough of your insubordination. Okay? I understand that you don't feel so good that I have left you behind in your cubicle, but you have to get used to it. See, if you don't go and re-edit it, I will give you a query.
Query? Sweetheart, you cannot query me.
I can, and I will.
Hi, Joe. How are you doing?
I'm fine. What are you doing here?
I came to see your MD.
My MD?
Yeah, for the Cyber Hub project.
Oh, do you work with Greenland Limited?
Yes, I do.
I see. So you're representing their marketing strategy?
I am the head of marketing strategy.
Really?
Mm-hmm. So, yeah, is this still the office of the MD or has it been changed?
Oh, still the office of the MD.
Okay. I heard you see your son got married a couple of weeks ago. Hey.
Why are you laughing?
You're not Shema superior.
You can say that.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So what are you doing here?
I'm here for Cyberspace Hope Project.
Hold on. Are you the new head of marketing strategy at Greensland Limited?
You can say that again.
No way. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you. So, where do we start from?
We start right away. I was just actually looking at it before.
Yeah, so I brought in.
I was able to. Yeah. Sorry about this. What I was able to come up with. Well, the whole thing is just.
Okay, so.
Yeah, so I can compare with what you have.
Yes.
Okay, so we can continue this tomorrow, right?
Yeah, sure. Sure, no problem.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, nice time here.
Yeah.
So, yeah, see you soon.
Right.
Tomorrow. All right, bye.
Bye.
Oh, you're leaving already?
Yeah.
I'm actually done for today, so do you mind if I go with you?
No problem, just pack up. I'm waiting for you downstairs.
Alright, thank you very much.
So you left before she returned?
Of course I did. I mean, which one is give me a lift?
That's good for her. She wants to rape where she knows so.
Don't mind the nonsense girl, Jerry.
I'm sure she will try to get you back, but don't take her back home.
Of course I won't take her back.
Good. Clearly she doesn't love you. She just wants your money.
It's being obvious. It's obvious.
I see you in my dream.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Yes, I'm fine. I actually came out yesterday, but you were not there. You left already.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I had to rush somewhere.
Oh, okay. I actually stopped by at your place while I was going home, but I noticed you moved out already.
I moved to my own place.
Your own house?
Yes, I own a duplex.
Oh my God, that's very nice. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Charles, please. I know that what I did to you is very wrong. I know that I offended you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
I've forgiven you a long time ago. In fact, I'm actually glad how everything turned out. It was a blessing for me.
Charles, please. Please, can we get back together? I still love you. I never stopped loving you. Please.
You can't get back together, I'm sorry.
Are you seeing someone else already?
I'm not seeing someone else. And trust me, I'll be a fool to get back with you.
But I said I'm sorry now. Charles, wait.
I see you in my dreams. You were watching the way. I held you very close until I can't force you to change. Like every word you say, you cannot compromise. We have come.
So you mean she asked you to take her back?
I'm telling you, she was like, can we get back together? I've never stopped loving you. Hey, bro, man.
Can you imagine?
I'm telling you, when she was talking, actually, my mind was like, so this guy actually wants me to take her back.
Don't mind her.
It's crazy.
Look, if you want to make Choma jealous, date Faith. Spoil her with money. She will die of jealousy. Yes.
That's actually not a bad idea. They get to seem to work in the same company. That's not a bad idea, you know.
Okay.
I think I'll do that.
Yes. I mean, let her die of jealousy.
Knock, knock. Good morning.
Good morning. Hi, Charles.
I'm great, and you?
Great.
So, yeah, I got you this.
Why?
Well, a friend of mine sells wristwatches, so I thought I should get you one. Open it.
I'll do that later. Thank you very much.
Are you sure you don't want to check it out?
Yeah, I'll check it out later. We have work to do.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, what design have you come up for CyberHop?
Yes, I came up with this design. Hold on a second. Let me pull it
Okay.
out. Wow. That's it. What do you think?
I'm sorry about that. So, yeah, this would actually attract the young people to CyberHub.
I think it will just increase your interest in the hub.
It will. It will. It is coming out good.
Yeah. Oops. It's 5 in the evening already. I guess we'll have to continue this on Monday.
Okay. So, are you going home straight or going somewhere?
I'm going straight home.
Why don't you just head out for a drink?
No, I'll pass, thank you.
Hey, all work and no play makes Faith a dull girl.
I'm tired. I need to go and rest.
You have all the weekend to rest. It's just a drink, okay? Please?
Okay.
I'm waiting for you downstairs. Why don't you just pack up? I'm waiting.
You're hilarious.
I know. So, you know, Shama was actually begging me to come back with her. I mean, she was literally begging me to come back, you know?
So, are you considering taking her back?
It's not. Look, that lady left me devastated. She broke my heart into pieces. I don't want to be there anymore. Besides, I think I have someone that's bear it now.
I think I should start going home now to avoid traffic. You know?
Are you? Waiter, please, can I get a view?
Offer now.
Bro.
What's up?
I'm good, though.
So you mean someone text you so you take her back?
My brother, you don't see I'm She was thinking that trying to do all these things would make me have her back. But she doesn't know that the sight of that whole thing irritates me.
So how perfect? Are you started dating her?
Not yet, you know. In fact, we just had lunch now, but I'm trying to shoot my shot.
Oh.
Trying to shoot my shot.
I'm shooter.
What's what we're doing now? So, why do you want to order something?
I'm good. I just finished eating.
This is the fire you asked for.
Thank you.
Yeah, Faith, yeah, for what? I got you something. Why don't you check it out?
Oh.
Take.
It's pretty, but I cannot accept it. I'm sorry.
Why?
You need to stop wasting your money buying gifts for me.
I don't understand that. Is there something wrong with me getting you gifts?
I don't want it. It's just...
Okay. Does it mean I don't even stand a chance?
Nope, no man does.
Hey. I'm not gonna hurt you, you know?
I have heard that a million times. I have not been fall for that again. Can we please just focus on why we're here?
Okay.
Like I was saying, I don't know, are you clear on this? Are you okay with the color? Do you need the website to be the same? Huh?
Yeah. I asked Faith out and she refused.
Really?
Yeah.
No problem. Just free her. At least you've used that to prepare Choma enough.
I wish I could, you know.
How do you mean?
I'm in love with Faith.
Are you serious?
I'm insanely in love with the girl.
So what are you going to do now?
I don't know. I just keep shooting my shots. And see if she gives me a chance or something.
I see you in my dream. You were washing away. I held you very close until I can't force you to take back every word you say. You cannot compromise. We have come a long way. If you love me, if you love me, don't you if you love me, don't you I see you in my dream. You were washing away. I held you very close until I can't force you to take back every word you say. You cannot compromise. We have come a long way. If you love me, don't you if you love me, don't you I see you in my dream. You were washing away. I held you very
Charles,
close until
how did you find me? It's a surprise.
I got your address from the HR.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. You're welcome.
Thank you. Can I say?
Yeah, of course, please. I'm sorry.
I got you this.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, tell me, how you feeling now?
I feel much better.
Oh, that's good.
How did this presentation go?
It went well. The client loved it.
Thank you. Thank you for covering me. I owe you one big time.
Hey, it's nothing. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, wait, what's that stomach?
I'm hungry. I'm tired to cook anything.
Where's the kitchen?
Why are you asking?
Just show me where your kitchen is first. Okay, I'll be right back.
I see you in my dream. You were washing away. I held you very close until I can't force you to take back every word you say. You cannot.
Do you need help in there?
No, I'm coming. I am. Okay. So, this. This. Hey, it's all yours.
You make this just now? Okay.
Try it out.
Okay.
Is it nice? Thank God. Thank God you like my cooking.
Where did you learn to cook like this?
I used to, build my mom in the kitchen when we were young, learning a couple of things. Mm-hmm.
So, your wife cannot do shakara for you?
Not at all. Not at all.
I see. That means we're done working together, right?
Yeah. But I'm sure a couple of projects will come up.
Yeah, I'm sure too.
I'll do my way.
Now?
Yeah.
Wow. I just want to say thank you for stopping by to see me and for the gifts, the food, and the presentation. Thank you.
It's nothing. You're welcome.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. I will have seen you off. Enjoy the food.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. What gift are you talking about? Oh, you're welcome, sorry.
Yes.
Oh, please. See, you don't have to. I should be the one buying you gifts for covering it for me. I'm not sick, I just had cramps. Anyway, thank you. Oh, no. I'll just go home. Okay. I'll see you after. Bye.
I see you in my dream. You were washing away. I held you very close until I can't force you to take back every word you say. You cannot compromise. We have come a long way. If I love me, if I love me, don't you go, don't you go. If I love me, if I love me, don't you go, don't you go. I see you in my dream. You were washing away. I held you very close until I can't force you to take back every word you say. You cannot compromise.
So yeah, jollof rice is all about the basics. It has to do with blending of different spices. Yes, and a little bit of patience.
Yeah.
So after this, we have to go to the next thing, which is washing the rice. So get rid of yeah. So washing up the rice and everything.
You should open a restaurant.
I know, right? I guess I just have to think about it. But then you'll be my assistant chef.
Maybe if you pay me.
It's okay. Okay. Hey.
I'll buy food in your restaurant every day.
Really? You know you have a beautiful smile.
Thank you. I'm thinking that maybe I should just give him a chance.
From all you've said about him, I think he's a nice guy.
He's a great guy.
Then
I'm scared.
I know you've been hurt so many times.
Too many times, Joy. Too many times. And I don't think I have the strength for another heartbreak. We cannot go drink Otapia. I'm just playing this for real. I'm just tired of it.
All I can say is you follow your heart. If your heart tells you to give him a chance, why not?
So I'd say that I have been through hell and hot water with men. They have showed me Shaggy Banza Pro Max.
Oh.
And then afterwards, I just said, you know what? I'm done with men. I'm not just, entangling myself with the opposite gender anymore. And then you came along. And then I said, okay, how about I just give us a chance?
Wait, are you for real? Did you just say you want to give us a chance? Are you serious?
Yes.
Look, I will do everything possible to make sure you don't get hurt. I promise to treat you like the queen that you are. Thank you.
I'm sorry, excuse me. I don't know who is calling. Oh, excuse me. Hello, HR. Hello? You want me to do what? Hello? Hello? I can't hear you. Let me call you back. What is wrong with this network?
Why don't you just use my phone instead? Okay? Yeah,
Thank
use
you.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Excuse
me. Mm-hmm.
You scumbag. So you have been just using me the whole time.
What are you talking about, Faith? Faith, hold on. Faith, listen, I can explain. Faith, please open up. Please open. Look, I'm not using you. I can explain. Faith, please. Faith, please, I love you. I'm not using you. Please, just open up. Faith, please open up.
Are you okay? Faith.
What are you doing here?
Faith.
Get out.
Faith, look, I promise I'm not using you.
I said get out.
She just said you should get out. Get out. Go.
Faith, can you just let me...
Excuse me.
You came back for me. Charles, it is very, very obvious that she doesn't want you. But I'm here now. I want you with everything in me, please. Please.
We'll see about that.
Charles.
So you mean she saw the text message I sent to you?
Yes, she did. And now she doesn't want to have anything to do with me.
I'm sorry. I had no idea she was going to see the message.
Look, man, it's not your fault. She's not even giving me a chance to even explain to her.
I caused this, and I need to fix it. Can you give me her number? Let me call her.
The minute she hears you have to talk about me, she's going to bang the call on you and block the number. She doesn't want to hear anything that has to do with me.
I think in that case, give me her house address. Let me go and talk to her myself.
I think that's a good idea.
Yes.
I'm coming. Donald.
Oh, yes.
Come in. Please.
Thank you. Good evening, Miss Fitz.
Good evening. You say you want to see me?
Yes, sir. Hi.
What can I do for you?
I'm not here for any work in television.
So what I do?
I need to speak to your authors.
Please leave.
Is there anything else?
Leave before I hold security. Leave my house before I hold security.
Miss Fitz, calm down, please. Charles really loves you. After Choma broke his heart, he vowed never to love again. Not until you came into the picture. You're the best thing to ever happen to him. He didn't ask you out because he wants to use you to make Choma jealous. No. He genuinely loves you. I made the mistake by sending that text message. So he's my fault, that's why I'm here. Please forgive him. Please.
So where is he now?
Let me call him. Guy, call me.
And to show you that I'm not here to play with your heart. Will you make me the happiest man by marrying me? Please, please.
Yes.
Yes. I love you.
Look. Hi.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
RG, please. Do you mind?
I see you in my dream. You were washing away. I held you very close until God. I can't force you to take back every word you say. You cannot compromise. We have come a long way. If I love me, don't you go, don't you go. If I love